At XKGLOW, everything we build is designed with one goal in mind: delivering lighting solutions that perform, stand out, and last. From enthusiasts and builders to everyday drivers, the people who run XKGLOW expect more, and we've built our reputation on exceeding those expectations. That's why today we are raising the standard and we are officially upgrading our 3-year warranty to a limited lifetime warranty on all eligible XKGLOW products, effective immediately. And this isn't just forward thinking. Any eligible product purchased within the last 3 years of today is now automatically covered under our limited lifetime warranty. And products that don't qualify for limited lifetime coverage are now backed by an upgraded 5-year warranty. But even beyond warranty coverage, we stand behind our customers. If your warranty has expired, we are committed to providing lifetime service and support. Now, this isn't a response to problems, it's a reflection of confidence. Confidence in our engineering, confidence in our materials, and confidence in the durability and performance of every product that we put our name on. When you choose XKGLOW, you're investing in lighting that's built to go the distance, and now our warranty does too. And we're making it easier than ever to stay covered by introducing a new product registration system, giving you a faster, more streamlined way to register your products and activate your limited lifetime warranty. It's our way of standing firm behind what we create and giving you total peace of mind every time you hit the road or the trail. Because this isn't just about coverage, it's about commitment. Click the link below or head over to xkglow.com/warranty to learn more.